Hi, welcome to our next tutorial on how to design your mobile app with Swipecart. Are you facing a hitch in customer signups or logins due to poor UI? Having an attractive welcome or sign-in screen set the expectations of your customer when they visit your mobile app. Let us show you how to customize the input style of your mobile app. The best part, you can customize your sign-in page, sign-up page, and forget password screens effortlessly. On your Swipecart dashboard, select App Design. Click the Edit icon to customize the input style settings on your current design. Select Theme Settings. Then, Input Style Settings. On the top center of the screen, select the drop-down. Here, you can customize the following 3 screens: Sign-in screen, Forgot screen, Sign-up screen. Let us walk you through customizing each and every screen individually. 1. Sign-in screen. This screen appears when the users log into your mobile app after creating an account. It is an essential part of your welcome screen as this will encourage your users to log into their accounts. Select the sign-in screen option from the drop-down. Immediately, the sign-in screen layout loads. There are 2 options available. 1. Login with email and password. This option is useful when you want users to log in with their email and password. 2. Login with mobile number fields. To configure the theme style of your layout, select the predefined theme option. The predefined theme window comes into view. Select this drop-down to try out the different themes available and choose the most suitable one. You can also view the theme style by clicking the shuffle icon. Click Submit. First, select the Edit icon of the Welcome section. In the Welcome section window, enable the logo toggle to display the logo. Followed by that, you can alter the content for title and subtitle. Click Submit. Now, select the Edit icon of the field style. In the Select Field Style drop-down, choose a suitable style variant. You can also click the shuffle icon to preview the style variants and choose a suitable one. To display the icons for fields, enable the icons toggle and choose an alignment, left or right. Using the radius section, you can control the roundness of the field borders. Click Submit. Next, click the Edit icon of the Sign-in button. Click the drop-down to choose a name for the Sign-in button and click Submit. Click the Edit icon of the Agreements. Select the checkbox to show the agreements. Once you select it, add new content or change the existing content under the description box. To add links to the text, enable the Link Text toggle. Enter the text in the field. Followed by that, you can link the text to a user-defined field or web URL. Select User-Defined and choose an app page from the drop-down. If you want to add a web URL, select that radio button and drop the URL in the field. To open the web URL outside the app, select this text box. To link another text, select Add Text and follow the same procedure. Click Submit. Lastly, click the Edit icon of the Switch to Sign Up page. If you want your users to redirect to the website to sign up, enable this toggle. Add the description to prompt your users to sign up if they don't have an account. Click Submit. That ends our sign-in screen customization process. 2. Forgot screen. Through this screen, you can give instructions on what to be done if your users have forgotten their login details. In the Forgot section window, enable the logo toggle to display the logo. Next, you can modify the content for title and subtitle. Click Submit. Your Forgot screen is ready. 3. Sign Up screen. Sign Up screen is the first screen your new app visitors will see when they install your mobile app. Hover over the Sign Up section and click the Edit icon. In the Sign Up section window, turn on the logo toggle to display the logo. Next, you can change the content for title and subtitle. Click Submit. Next, hover over the Sign Up button and click the Edit icon. Here, select an app name for the Sign Up button. Click Submit. Now, hover over the Switch to Sign In and select the Edit icon. If you want your users to switch to the Sign-in page in case they have an account, add a prompt to convey the instructions. That ends our sign-in screen customization process. We have successfully customized all the screens. As a final step, let's go through the advanced customizations of the Input Style Settings section. For this, click on the Settings icon next to Input Style Customization. Click on the Welcome section setting drop-down and configure the alignment to be right or center. To display the logo on all three screens, enable the logo toggle. Click on the Upload icon and upload the logo from your computer. Please note the size of your logo must be 540 by 180 pixels. Turn on the Background Image toggle. If you want a background image for the logo, click on the Upload icon to upload a background image from your computer. Please note the image size must be 375 by 230 pixels. Switch on the Forgot Password toggle if you want to display the Forgot Password link on the sign-in screen. By enabling the Guest Login toggle switch, you can allow users to access your app without having to create an account. Do you want to hide the product price for guest users? Enable the Disable Price for Guest Users toggle switch. Ensure that you have installed the Custom Pricing plugin to unlock this feature for your mobile app. If you want a background image for all three screens, enable the Background Image toggle switch and upload an image from the computer. Click Submit once the customization is done. Save the changes. If you want to be the first to experience the new style variant, select Preview to see the updated screen on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the new style format on your mobile store. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your app. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.